Hey, it's Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at this property we just closed on in the West Bank at Jefferson Parish. It's a double. It's in pretty bad condition. One of the sides has been vacant for years, and the owner lived in this side. I'll show you around. Look, he was a truck driver, so in truth he wasn't really here that often. So while he did live here, it's probably barely livable condition. That's okay, because we buy houses like this. We don't mind doing them up. That's sort of what we do. So we don't mind buying a house that needs some work and coming in and putting that work into the house so we can add some value. That's really what we do. So yeah, look, this needs a lot of work, and yeah, this is the good side. The other side doesn't even have a bathroom. Yeah, it's been vacant for years. So we buy houses like this. So if you have a house that you're looking to sell, that you don't want to do the repairs, you don't want to do that and put it on the market, we can sell straight to us. We're a cash buyer, and what that means is that we can buy in as-is condition. We don't need a bank to approve financing and do an inspection on the house and make sure it's up to standards, because to be honest, some houses like this one wouldn't pass that. But that's okay, because we pay cash. Also, because we pay cash, it means we can close fast, because we don't have a lot of the red tape they need to do to get financing. So look, if you're looking to sell a house, you don't want to do the repairs, you just want a quick, easy sale, then contact Home Buyer Louisiana. We'll be happy to talk to you about how we can be a good buyer for your property. Even if we don't end up being your buyer, we're always happy to help and just give you advice so that you have more options for your house. So check us out. You can go to our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com, or just give us a call. We're always happy to help. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good day.